What up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Dristan. 12-hour nasal spray, nasal decongestant, and a fast-acting formula. I'm just kidding. This is a video response for Dane's Sports Cards Heaven. He's doing mystery packs tonight, Thursday. I'm going to put the link of the packs in the description. Very nice high-end chasers. He has Montana Auto, Breeze Tomlinson duel, Troy Aikman, and some guy named Bryce Harper. So gotta check out the link I'm gonna put down below. Take a spot. If anything, come in the room, close your eyes, and pretend Manny the Mammoth from Ice Age